Hi everyone, this is how to verify trig identities part 2. On this set that we have, we really want to look at our end. It doesn't automatically happen like the easier ones we did. These would be considered a little bit harder. So the first thing I'm going to do is find my common denominator, which is 1 minus sine of theta times 1 plus sine of theta. And to do that, I'm just going to cross up here, so that's going to be 1 plus sine of theta plus 1 minus sine of theta. Now, when you look at this, the denominator is 1 minus sine squared theta. That's based on a minus b times a plus b, which equals a squared minus b squared. So that's all I did there. Here the signs cancel and we're left with 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, looking at what we have, we know that this is cosine squared. So we have 2 times, and if you want, just write as 1 over cosine squared theta, which is 2 times secant squared of theta. Okay? Next one, same thing, get your common denominator, which is 1 minus sine of theta times 1 plus sine of theta. Now we're going to go ahead and cross here, and we're going to get 1 plus sine of theta squared minus 1 minus sine of theta squared. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and FOIL all this out, or factor it out. So this is going to be 1 plus the first part plus 2 sine of theta plus sine squared of theta. That's your a plus b squared, minus, this is your a minus b squared. And we've done several of these. 1 minus 2 sine of theta plus sine squared of theta. I'm going to go ahead and just take care of the numerator real quick here. So it's going to be 1 plus 2 sine of theta plus sine squared of theta. When you distribute the negative or multiply by negative 1, you get minus 1 plus 2 sine of theta minus sine squared of theta. Now, this is all over this. So we haven't dealt with that yet. This is 1 minus sine squared of theta, which we know equals cosine squared of theta. So I'm going to go ahead and put cosine squared of theta. Now let's clean this up. The numerator, the 1's cancel, the sine squares cancel, and we get 4 sine of theta over cosine squared of theta, which still doesn't look like that. So I'm going to bring out the 4 and write this as 4 times sine over cosine times 1 over cosine. So look at this. This is the same thing right here. I just had to split it up. So now we have 4. This is tan of theta, and this part is secant of theta. So it all matched up, and we're good to go. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.